Today I'm going to tell you about a new urinary issue or a urinary problem which most females have. So when you talk about a condition called urinary incontinence, it is nothing but an accidental leakage of one or two drops of your urine, like without your knowledge. Okay, so it is not a disorder or a disease, but it is a condition which has many causes, which is caused by many factors. So it is mostly present in female gender than male, and it is mainly because of your weakened hip muscles, that is pelvic muscles, pelvic region muscles. Okay, so because of this weakened muscles in your pelvic region, you might leak one or two drops of urine from your body whenever you sneeze or even when you laugh or cough or something. And this is mainly because it can be caused because of overweight or obesity also, and can also be caused by pregnancy issues like childbirth and all. Because of the weakening of the muscles in the hip area also, you can have this condition, urinary incontinence. And apart from these basic factors, you can also have many other factors like functional factors like psychological disorders or the mental related disorders like dementia and all. Those people, they actually they have to they don't know the urge to go and urinate. They just leak one or two drops of urine while going itself. So this can also be a cause of it. And even for certain people, like normal people, if they have, due to the if they have any busy work schedule, and if they're not able to empty their urinary bladder, and if they hold on for a particular period of time, and then they go urinate also, in that particular period of time the pressure in the bladder increases and it will damage their nerves also. And this on a prolonged period of time, if they keep on doing like this, and even after a prolonged period of time, they might have this condition, urinary incontinence associated with them. So this is called urinary incontinence. As earlier said, it is mostly in the female. Okay, so coming up to the treatment of it, mostly like you might be given certain medications or injections, and if you have any other related conditions, medical conditions to this incontinence symptom, you have to the doctor might suggest you with a surgery or something. And for females, like you have an instrument called pessary, which can be inserted into your vagina to reduce your incontinence issue. Also, you can very well talk to your gynec about it. And general treatment is you will be offered with a pelvic floor exercises which you have to do regularly. And apart from these medical treatments, there are certain dietary guidelines to you where you have to avoid certain foods. The first thing is you have to consider your water intake. Like people with this urinary incontinence, because of the shyness, like they have to go home for a urine, or they might leak because of the fear that they may leak one or two drops, they actually don't drink water at all. They restrict themselves from drinking water, which is actually very bad to their health, because this restriction of the water might lead to dehydration, and again it will lead to health problems to them. So if you have a condition, this symptom in your body, just go talk freely to the doctor about it, find out why you've got this condition, and ask them openly like how much amount of water you have to have per day, and go on with that. So water is most important thing which you have to consider if you have this problem. And the secondary thing is you have to avoid caffeinated beverages like coffee, tea, and even sodas, because this will all increase your urinary output, and you will have an urge to go and pee your urine often, like frequently. So you have to avoid these caffeinated drinks in your diet. And the third thing which you have to avoid is the spicy foods like chili peppers or even Chinese recipes and all. You have to avoid it, because they actually those spicy things may irritate your bladder, so that again it will prompt you to go to urinate frequently. So you have to avoid those spicy foods also. And the fourth thing which you can avoid is carbonated beverages, because these carbon dioxide which is present in these beverages will actually increase your urinary output. So you have to stop that also. Avoid taking that. And you should avoid taking citrus fruits also, like oranges or lemons or mosambi. and even acidic foods like tomato also, because this will also irritate your bladder, it will increase your urinary output, and you'll frequently go on for restrooms. So these are certain foods which you have to avoid if you have urinary incontinence. And certain people, certain basically women, like they do have this issue, but they find it very shy to go and tell to the doctor and find out what it is. So don't be like that, just go talk to your doctor freely and analyze what condition is it, like why you have got it, and if suppose it is because of any weakened muscles or something, then to go on for the exercises and treatment and avoid these foods. Don't be at home sitting like it is a general thing.